I'm going to save the day. Not! This time, I'm gonna save the day. Okay, let's see. Nothing here. Ah, dang it! I'm gonna save the day again. Time to do it. Oh, nothing happened. Okay, okay, time to save the day. Time to save the day. Let's go. You're gonna die, Raptor. Wait, what? Oh, no, please, no, don't, no. Get off the TV, it's my turn. Never ask me what to do. Should I interest you with cherry bombs? Are you a hacker? What? No. This is what happens when stranger kills. They believe they can be hardcore. I told you. It's me exploring TNT with.
Hide and seek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You yeah. Time to save the day. Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. You're the one who stole my cat. This is Sparta. Kill that a-hole. Yes, he's dead. No. Time to save the day. Let.
You stole my cash, didn't you, bitch?
I'm gonna kill you, stupid. One more? Okay. I need to find a way. Oh, I see the end. No, no, no. Is it finished? No. So how much it cost this? It cost 25 cents. Wow, really? No, $50. Who would like to celebrate Christmas? I love to celebrate Christmas. Wanna know why I'm gonna give you? No. Merry Christmas to everyone, and also say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Happy New Year to everyone. Are we upside down? Or just an illusion? It's me! No, don't ruin it! This is what I got for Christmas. I got a Wii U. Oh my god, I cannot wait to play this game. I suck at this game! OMG Minecraft, I cannot wait to play. Wait, what? It cost $30? Dang it, no, but I hate Minecraft. Thank you for giving 174 subscribers on YouTube, and also Happy New Year's on Vine, so. This is what happened when a British kid wins.
Damn you British actors in bullshit movies!
I think somebody's following me. Time to check what's going on in Scott game. Stupid! Oh shit! Final Fantasy series is starting to film right now, so go on my YouTube channel and stay tuned to be uploaded. Well, welcome to Freddy Fazbear Pizza, a magical play that I know, okay? I know! Taco, look out!